which side of this debate you stand on, the numbers are shocking.
Guns in America versus the rest of the world. Okay, first up, let's talk about the total number of guns. So for this, every bullet represents 1 gun per 100 people. So Japan has 0.6 guns, so we'll just fill this bullet up to represent that. The UK has 6.2 guns for every 100 people. Next up, Australia has more than double that, with 15 guns. Germany doubles that and has 30.3 guns. Switzerland's got 45.7 guns per 100 people. Then the US, 88.9 guns for every 100 people. So looking at that in another way, if this pile here is the total population of the world, then the US would be about 5% of that. And if this pile of ammo here represents the total amount of guns worldwide, the US has 35 to 50% of every gun in the world. So let's talk about what actually happens with these guns. After the Charleston shootings, President Obama came out and said this.
At some point, we as a country will have to reckon with the fact that this type of mass violence does not happen in other advanced countries.
So let's look into that. Let's look into mass shootings worldwide. We're going to use the FBI's definition of a mass killing, which is 4 or more random deaths. Since 1997, Japan has had 0 mass shootings. Same with Australia, they've had none. The UK has had 1 event. Germany has had 3. Same with Switzerland, they've had 3 events as well. The United States has had 3 in 2014 alone. Since 1997, the United States has had 51 mass killings. The next stat that we're going to look at is the total firearm homicides in these countries. We're going to use the statistic 1 out of every 10 million. Japan's rate is 1 firearm homicide per 10 million people. The UK's rate is 6. Germany's rate is 7 out of 10 million. Australia's is 13. Switzerland has a rate of 26. In the US, 401. Since 1997, there have been approximately 540,000 American deaths from firearms. That's more than World War I and World War II combined.
Wow, those are some absolutely staggering numbers. So, quick turn here. Do you want to get your pooch in on the selfie craze? Well, we have the perfect tool to get your dog to take the best picture ever. See how it works and meet the man who invented it. And what you need to watch this month on Netflix and Amazon Prime before they disappear into the abyss forever.